Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be playing with the Pat McGrath Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette. Today we are going to be creating a look using the neutral side, which is these two rows down here. We're going to be creating a look using those two rows. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hi, besties, amigas. So like I mentioned in the introduction, I'm going to be playing with the Pat McGrath Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette. And today I'm going to be creating my third look using this palette, and this time it's going to be using these two neutral rows down here. And yeah, why don't we just jump in? Alrighty, so I've already moisturized my face. I outlined my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and then I used the dual powder in Ebony as well to fill them in. And then I used my MAC paint pot in soft ochre to outline the eyebrows and primed the lids. And then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes. And now I'm going to jump into the palette. So I am going to grab a blending brush. Alrighty, so I'm going to grab a Sedona lace. I can't see the name or the number of the brush. I think it's the 863 brush. Just because it's really faded. I've had these brushes for a very long time, and there's some fading, but it's just your typical blending brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the color. Let's see what the color is. Venusian Peony, which is this pretty pink color right here. So that's what I'm going to be using in my crease. So I'm going to grab a little handy dandy mirror just because I like to, you know, get close with my mirror. It's big, it's good, but I don't want to be having to hold the entire palette. So I'm going to grab that pink shade and I'm going to add it to the crease like so. This is like a bubblegum pink. And as you can see, we have to build it up just a tad for that intense bubble pink, which I'm not going to do. I just want a light wash of the pink, and so it can help me blend the other colors that we're going to use. But this is such a pretty color. I'm really going to do my best to use the 6 shades in these two rows. So we'll see what we can come up with. Alrighty, so that's what that Venusian Peony color looks in the crease. Now I'm going to grab a more tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade, let's see, Flame Fatale, which is this red color right here. Actually, yeah, I'm going to go in with this color first, and then over it, I'm going to go over this, what's this color called? Auburn Allure. So I'm going to use this color first in the outer part of the lid, and then to create some dimension, I'm going to use this in the most outer part of the lid, just for some dimension. And again, to use all the shades in these two rows. So I'm gonna grab that red and I'm gonna use it in this outer part of the lid. Oh my gosh, like so. Very, very pretty. And then I'm gonna use that pink to blend the edges of this red. That's a really vibrant red. Wow, that's pretty. This right here with a shimmer on the rest of the eyelid would be perfect for like a Valentine's Day look, just because of the red and pink going on. Now I'm going to go in with my blending brush and I'm just going to go over these edges to help blend, so there's like a seamless blend. And if you need to, you can always go into the pink just a little bit and go over that red edge so it can help blend it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn over that same brush and I'm going to be going into that, what is it, that burgundy shade called Auburn Allure, which is this one right here. And I'm going to apply that just in the outer part. Like, I'm not really trying to bring it in too close, and I really just want that color for dimension. So I'm keeping it just in this outer part of the lid right here. Turn it over and then use the red to blend the edges. Okay, so it should look something like this. Now I'm going to apply my glitter glue. You don't have to do it. You can just go in with the shimmers. I always use a glitter glue. Not only does it prevent fallout, but I feel like it also makes the eyeshadow even more shimmery. I feel like it intensifies the shimmer a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs Intensify Eye Artistry wand. Since I'm using her palette, I'm just going to use this for her shimmers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this in this empty part of the lid, like so. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a brush. I should grab a brush, but I usually use my fingers. Decisions. I'm going to use my finger. So I'm going to get the color Heavenly Bronze. So Heavenly Bronze, and then Starlit Copper in, I'm going to be using Heavenly Bronze in the middle part of the eyelid, and then to blend out that red with this Heavenly Bronze, I think I'm going to use Starlit Copper. We'll see how that looks. So, ooh, look at that. So pretty. And here's the other color. These are the two shimmers we're going to be using. Pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this shimmer. Beautiful. Look at that, that's so pretty. These two shimmers are so pretty. Very pretty. Alrighty, now I'm going to go in with my blending brush with no additional product, and I'm just going to go over this pink color over the crease. This might not look as cohesive just because I was trying to use all the shades in these two rows, but you know, if you want to, if you don't like this color combination, you can always use the pink with the red and then pump the gold on the entire lid, or you can do the red on the crease, the burgundy on the outer part of the lid, and then you can use this bronze shade, which is really pretty. Or you can even use mix and match with the others. You don't have to stick to those two rows. You can most definitely go with a brown on the crease, just so it doesn't take away from these two beautiful shades. But yeah, there's so many things you can do with this palette, and that's the beauty of makeup. You can use whatever colors your little heart desires. Make it fun. We're just playing with makeup. We're trying to see how the colors work together. You can even do a halo eye with this burgundy shade, and then that bronze, starlit bronze on the middle. That would look beautiful. Very beautiful. Alrighty, so this is what I have going on so far. I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to do a liner, finish the face, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what the entire face looks like. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really like the look. It's different. Of course, there's other ways that you can use these colors. Like I gave you some examples when I was doing the eye look. You don't have to use as many colors as I did in this look, but you know, grab the pink all over and then add a pop of shimmer to the center, and boom, there's a look. There's endless ways you can definitely use every color in this palette, but yeah, I think this is the third look that I was gonna make using this palette. I did a more neutral, I did a more what's it called, cool tone, and then now this is a little bit more warm, which those are my type of colors. I love warm looks, but I've been also into the cool tones on my eyes. I think it's different, and yeah, but yeah, I really enjoyed, I've been enjoying this palette right here. I think there's so many things that you can do with this palette. Of course, I'm gonna be using this palette in upcoming videos, you know, but mix matching all the colors. And yeah, I'll probably take a little break though from this palette, just because I have other eyeshadow palettes that I've been loving so much, and you know, I want to show them some love too. So yeah, anyways, I really hope you enjoyed today's eye look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.